Hi, this is Ula from Blacknova. I would like to introduce you today our Blackjack collection. It's a capsule collection together with Maison Meljac. Maison Meljac is very well known for his metal craftsmanship and their iconic design, and we have embraced it, providing the keypad with our technology and our brand agnosticity. The keypad comes in 4 different finishings: nickel, champagne, matte black, or antique bronze. And the buttons can be round or square. We are able to deliver full RGB backlit to the icon, CNC'd in every button. And we can engrave text either below the buttons or in between. And it can be filled in a contrast colored resin. The keypads come in a 2, 4, 6, 8 configuration, plus the multi-purpose display that can display temperature or it can be a media player. All the keypads comes with humidity and temperature sensor on board. And format, we have single, double, and triple that can be mounted horizontal and vertical. Sorry. Here we are looking at the antique bronze finishing with the engraving in the middle, champagne, and matte black. You can customize your keypad in terms of form factor, icon type, and text on our artwork tool that is on our website at www.blacknova.co. You can go up to the right-hand side and customize your keypad, and there you go.